Make money online in 2019. I'm gonna be showing you guys today a very easy method with no money needed, like literally $0 is what you're gonna need for this. I'm not gonna talk about a video where you're gonna end up needing to pay a subscription or anything like that. I'm here to be totally honest with you guys and show you this method you've probably never heard of before, connecting a couple different websites. So definitely stick around for the entire thing. I'm gonna show you exactly how you guys can do it yourself, and I'm gonna walk you through from A to Z an example of exactly how I would approach this method if I were gonna go start right now from nothing and go ahead and make some money. So definitely stick around for the entire video. If you do enjoy it, definitely give it a thumbs up, and if you're not part of the family yet, hit that subscription button down below, and let's get right into my computer. So as I said in the beginning of the video, I'm going to show you guys kind of how to pair a couple different websites to be able to make money. So again, you're literally going to need $0 to be able to do this. But the first website you're going to need access to is called Clickbank. Again, all you really need is an internet access, and you could do this from your phone or your laptop. Probably the laptop would be a little bit easier, but you'll see why a phone is very important to use here later in the video. But Clickbank, if you guys haven't used it before, it's basically an affiliate website where you could basically just take any program relating to pretty much any niche you can kind of think of and promote their products, and you're going to get a commission for whatever you sell. So you could push that through Instagram, blogs, YouTube videos, Facebook ads. It really doesn't matter, but I'm going to show you guys how you can push that through Instagram and building a very niche page doing it. So basically, you kind of have to pick a niche in this topic. So Clickbank, all you really want to do is go over to Affiliate Marketplace and kind of pick a niche that you feel that you're either passionate about or you know how to do a decent amount of research on. For me, in the past, I've been super passionate about fitness. I've grown Instagram pages. Ones I've done really well on include like personal branding and like gaming, more related to like Fortnite and stuff like that. Those are super easy to target. One thing you guys should note, if you're gonna pick a niche to go ahead and promote their affiliate for, make sure it has an audience probably on the younger side, because today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do it through Instagram. So obviously Instagram has a younger platform. There's gonna be younger people on there, so you don't wanna get products that are ridiculously expensive as well, like hundreds or thousands of dollars. And again, I'm gonna walk you through a real life example. So you have to think, what's the kind of niche? I said I was going to do fitness. First thing you want to do is kind of look up other fitness pages. So you're going to actually try to figure out how to grow an Instagram page. And later in the video, I'm going to show you several different techniques that have helped me grow several other Instagram pages to thousands of followers, where if I wanted to, I could go ahead and put affiliate links on there. But that'll be just here in a minute. But for fitness, I chose fitness exercise. I didn't want to choose something really saturated. You want to find kind of hashtags that are more on the side of like they're not millions of posts. You want to find them are a little bit more targeted. And you'll look under top posts. Again, this is on my laptop, but you'll see 7,000 likes, 5,000 likes, 8 we probably don't want to go with, 20,000. So let's just go with like the 20,000 one, and then we can go ahead and click on their pages. It's called cardio exercises, and you can see like they have 1 million followers, 914 posts, which is actually not a lot for 1 million followers. And obviously they're growing very organically. They're not unfollowing that method or anything like that. I'm going to give you guys real ways you guys can do this, and probably ways that they're actually doing it themselves. But basically what all you do to grow a fitness Instagram page is basically just take posts from other pages. I know a lot of you might say that's unethical or anything like that, but pretty much every big meme page, every big fitness page, all they do is kind of collaborate with one another, use each other's pictures, and sometimes they'll put their own twist on it. But you can tell here, like the format of these pictures look very different, so they're definitely grabbing these pictures from other pages, probably from a lot smaller pages, not something that's already been seen by a 5 million page kind of thing. But obviously they have a really good Instagram at cardio exercises. Try to find one that you could do that with. But you guys can see here, like they're getting all right engagement. I can't tell you if they bought followers a lot. or not, but I'm going to show you guys how you could do the same thing, get a lot higher engagement. But 12,000 likes, you might go ahead and put this on your fitness page. You can make it more general. You could do more like food, fitness, or anything like that, but I'm just choosing like fitness, workout, 3 choices for fat loss. So this is something I might put on. And then I'm going to show you guys basically how you can actually make money doing this. So obviously it's going to take a little bit of time, like I mentioned before, but once the ball starts rolling, you can make money literally as passively as you want, maybe posting a couple pictures a day, or you can outsource that to a VA. So before I actually made this video, I went ahead and did a little bit of research for you guys and show you if I had a fitness page like this, what would I link in kind of this description here. You guys can see they don't really have any affiliate links on there. But if you ended up creating your own page, this is how you would make money. Obviously, you don't need 1 million followers, and you don't need that to kind of get affiliate sales, but these are some ones that I found in Clickbank. I ended up just typing in like fitness and going through them. The first one I ended up finding was weightlifting programs to build muscle and lose fat. I thought that sounded very general, and you get about $16.59 if somebody goes ahead and purchases that through your affiliate link, which is really cool. And then this is basically what it shows you. So I picked ones, I chose 3 of them that look a little bit more professional. Looks like they put a little bit of work. This is probably the worst one out of the 3, but you can tell they put in work, and then get both for only $55. So you're making a pretty high commission on it for what it charges. This one's only $37. So this one might not be the best, but it might be one you want to just test out. But this is pretty general for male and female because you have to think of your demographic. But people aren't spending like build up 25 pounds of muscle mass ebook, only $37. So you could potentially get paid $16.59 out of the $37 what they're paying for. And again, we're reaching a younger demographic. $37 is really good, especially if it's an ebook. There's no shipping or anything like that. They're just going to get right to their email. And they're probably not going to have a lot of returns. So it's a really good program you could use. Another one I ended up finding was, what's this one? Morning six-pack ritual discovered by Danish scientists, and this one looked a little bit better. I think it was one of these. It might be this one where you get 1936, I believe. Might be a different one, but this is the one I ended up finding. It looked a little bit more professional. Obviously, you can tell like they put a lot of work into this. They have brand credibility, and guys can tell like I'm scrolling all the way down. Great pictures, before, afters. So this is going to make somebody buy. Like you want to choose actually programs to promote that look professional, or else it looks bad on your brand too, which would be that Instagram page as well. But this one I think was like $97. Yeah, $97, and you're making $20. So again, anything under $100 I'd recommend for the fitness niche. Money back guarantee, Q&A. So you could tell like this one has a pretty high chance of clicking on it. You guys know when you see a good like ClickFunnels page or anything like that, or Clickbank, you know they're ones that look good. They spend a lot of time, and if they spend a lot of time, usually means there's getting a lot of traffic to that one. And I ended up picking some that were a little bit farther down pages, simply because I don't want to get ones that you're going to see somewhere else. I wanted to find certain affiliate links that you can go ahead and probably be one of a few that actually promote it. And then another one I found, this one was more towards the female niche. So if you wanted to kind of A/B test, you can always do that. But I'm going to show you guys in a second here how you can go ahead and build your Instagram page pretty quickly with a couple techniques. But first, real quick, again, this one looks pretty good. And when they're super long, that means they usually put a lot of work into it. But this one, I don't know exactly how much it costs, but based on the commission, again, I think I got these mixed up. But I think you're probably making like $20 on these. Oh yeah, $39.97. So you're probably getting a bucket deal or whatever, a package deal for probably under $100. That's a really good deal. This one looks good, and if you want to try like male or female, you can try these two, or you could try more of like the general one I showed in the beginning, which would be more male, female, muscle mass, definition. Pretty much anybody would want to be able to get this, because you have to think how packed the fitness niche is. Like there's so many eyeballs on that, it's never going to go anywhere. So fitness niche Instagram, it's going to be competitive, but it's so easy to make, to build a page to a couple 100,000 followers, maybe over a year's time. But again, I wanted to show you guys different ways you can actually go ahead and build these accounts. So if you stuck around for the video, I appreciate you being here. You're definitely going to hear a lot of knowledge here. But first one, probably a lot of you have never heard of. It's actually called Jarvee. It's something I use or have used in the past to be able to build Instagram accounts. You pay $20 a month. And this, again, I said no money down, so this is a little bit of exception. This isn't probably your go-to thing, but I want to include different options for people that want to spend money if they want to. They probably have free trial, so again, it could be with no money down. I think they do have a 7-day free trial, but you guys will see, like, if you want to take that next step, great thing. I'm not gonna use any affiliate links or anything down below, but Jarvie's a great way. You guys can build an Instagram account. Basically how it works is it's not just following, unfollowing. It's using, like, you'll pick like 10, 15 accounts that you want to build their followers of. So you're gonna go ahead and literally just put in the Instagram account, put in a little verification. I'll actually go ahead and look it up for you guys. Jarvie. You need to have a PC. You can't use Mac. But this is basically the website that I would use. It's called Jarvie. You'll put in like 10, 15 accounts of other Instagram accounts that you want to have their followers of. So let's say we'll take cardio exercises. I put that in a Jarvie, and it's going to go ahead and start following the people that actually follow that page, because you want to make it as targeted as possible. It also does like direct DMs, like all those things you guys can think of for under 20 bucks a month, which is crazy. They have tutorials. It takes like an hour to set up for the first time, but after that you literally have to not touch it at all. Just keep your computer open and it'll run every time that computer is open. The second one would be to pay for shoutouts. Again, a paid way if you want, or you can kind of work with other pages of similar sizes and just do shout out for shout out, which is a totally free method you guys can go ahead and build an Instagram for. So this is probably less of a realistic example, but this one, if you also had 1 million followers, just be like, yo, you want to shout out mine, I'll shout out yours, and then we both build a following off of that. Another big one, definitely free, is using this hashtag method. Again, I'd recommend probably using hashtags that have results between, like, I'd say 100,000 and 500,000. Anything more than that, it gets really saturated. So we'll go back. So fitness hashtag, see this one, fitness at 32 million. You probably don't want to use that one, but fitness exercises. Let's think of another one. Fitness. Let's see. Fitness motivation's too much. Maybe fitness quotes might be a good one. Fitness pro. Let's see other ones. Fitness fam is a really good one. Fitness videos. Fitness Friday. Fitness boys a little expensive, has too much. Fitness girls motivation. So that's a really good one as well. You guys can see, like, you just need to put, I think you can have up to like 25 or 30 hashtags every time you post something, but every time you post a picture, like they did it, you guys can see here, cardio exercise. They did not do much, but they're probably already big, so they didn't need to. But that way your actual pictures can start ranking. You'll get a natural followers to people coming through the Explore page on Instagram, and then you can grow a big following. And then last way is actually just using engagement groups. If you guys don't know much about it, I'd go do some research on it. I'm not too familiar with it, but using engagement groups is totally free. You just basically like other people in the same niche and you're all in the same group, and every time you post, all of them like yours, leave comments and that kind of thing. So that's pretty much how you guys can make a ton of money using this kind of affiliate system, combining Clickbank and building an Instagram page. Again, you can make a ton of money doing it. I'd recommend picking Clickbank kind of affiliate offers. They look professional, they're under 100 bucks, and really are targeted towards your niche. I wouldn't do male or female, depending on the niche. Like the fitness one, I would just do as general as possible. Ab workouts, losing fat, that kind of thing. So I hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you did like it, I'd appreciate a thumbs up, and if you're not part of the family yet, hit that subscription button down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.